Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and I'm back with another round of the card kit swap. If you missed out on the first reveal, I will have that video linked for you so you can go ahead and show those ladies some love. And so for this video, we have Toni and Kimmy coming to us with their swaps. And Toni had these really pretty fun foam pink flowers inside of her box, so I wanted to bless my desk and make it look all extra pretty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what they made. Alright, so first up we have Toni, who is Timeless Cottage Crafts. I believe that's right. If I'm remembering it correctly at the top of my head. Regardless, it'll be down in the description box for you. And this is how her swap came. And I just want to show you the cute little... Look at, first of all, look at her card. Look how pretty that is. Now, I'm not saying that this is her card for her kid. This is just her, her card that she had made for me. Little special message, and it is absolutely stunning. I love it. And then she's also did a beaded brush. Like, I don't know where y'all find all of these thingamajigs. I'm pretty sure she made it because it does look like her work, and it's just so gorgeous. Love the bow on there. I love the sparkly beads, and I'm just like, you know, just pish posh, clean up. And I'm, you know, Toni never ceased to amaze me. She hasn't swapped with me in a while, but she just never ceased to amaze me. I get super excited when she participates because I just absolutely love her work. So she has one of these clear bags, which a lot of you guys have been using these. I haven't bought anything for a very long time. So, I don't know where any of this stuff is that you guys are getting it from, but I love seeing it. And then look at this gorgeous dangle. Absolutely love the rose gold color. She used the lobster clasp. She has some beautiful beads. Look at this super pretty flower. Absolutely love it. This is giving me such Mother's Day vibes. It's not even funny. I love it. So, as a reminder, they were to create a card kit. They needed to have one card in its completed form, so then that we know what the card is supposed to embody, and then have all the accessories to make the card, to make 4 of the cards. Also include a fun pen or pencil, and then a little informational card about like their name, social media, and then 2 fun facts. So, oh, I think this is, oh my goodness, I love it when she does these. Okay, so she did these, I want to say it was, I don't think it was Christmas in July. It could have been, I know it was one of my shape tag swaps that I did, but I can't remember if it was Christmas in July or if it was just regular Christmas one. But she had did these little wooden things, and I absolutely love them. And she did this gorgeous flower. Look how pretty that is. Like, oh, and this one's a magnet. Get out. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Because I was sure thinking about like, oh my gosh, where can I put this? I love it. Oh, that's so cute. I just love all her little paint job on there. So stinking cute. I absolutely love that. I might even just stay on my desk. So again, she's Timeless Cottage Gifts. I'm not sure what I said at first. Did I say crafts at first? Timeless Cottage Gifts. And that's where you can find her here on YouTube. Also, and you can find her at Toni Lee Angel over on Instagram. So, oh my goodness, I absolutely love that. All right, and then, ooh, she has another little fun gift. So she altered a mini composition book. You can find these in a 3-pack at the Dollar Tree. And it says, cherish every moment. She did a little scallop circle with a regular circle in the center. Did some distressing on the edges. Pretty pink silk ribbon. Really pretty collection. I have this collection, I do believe, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty. I just love her stuff. And then we have, I want to say this is probably her pen. Or, yeah, I'm sure everyone is making, oh, this is stunning. Ooh, look at how pretty. I love the sunflower. Oh, and this rose gold is just everything. Oh, this is so pretty. Definitely going to my fun pen jar. Definitely not going to be used because I just want to look at you. I just want to look at you. I'm not even going to pick you up to use you. I'm just going to look at you because that is absolutely pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. Super exciting. And a cute little box to boot. And then so in here we have her card kit. OMG, look at how pretty. And as a reminder, they were also supposed to follow a tutorial that I had posted for them. It's not my tutorial, but I will have that link down below in the description box if you guys are interested, and to enclose their card kit. But oh my gosh, I am so in love with this. Oh my goodness gracious. And then she has this gorgeous wooden butterfly here. She has tickets. She has a fun little filigree in the background. Gorgeous flowers. Oh, and they're like foamy. Oh, I love it. Look at the leaves. They are all stickly. And oh my goodness, she has a rosette in the background to pop it up on dimension. She has a ribbon closure with Velcro with a cute little button on the top. I just cannot. Oh, and it's magnetic. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my God, I can't. And then as a reminder, it does fold flat for storage. So if you do need something, go ahead, pop it on open, bada bing, bada boom. Here's a better look at her. Oh, that's just absolutely gorgeous. I just absolutely love that. So pretty. So we have all of the tidbits that are enclosed. Looks like we have like a flower pot. We have some flowers. We have ribbon. We have sentiments with fishtail banners. Looks like we have, oh, these are the cutest little paper clips. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen these. Oh, those are cute. And then we have like some various strips and matting pieces to go along with it. Here we have, oh, and she gave instructions. So here's the front base. Inside blank panel, inside sentiment, card base, and then of course your envelopes. Oh, I love seeing how all of you, everyone has done something different, whereas like putting all their pieces together. So I really like that. And the final look of the card, look at how cute this is. So there's so that's what that was in the background, is the shadow piece of the flower pot. So this one here says, just a note. We have the piece going down with the ribbon. We have the ribbon covering over the various matting pieces. And then that is just so stinking cute. And see, she used her special flower tool to help puff out the flower petals. And then here's the inside. That's where the paper clip comes in handy. And then the sentiment to say hello. How stinking cute is this? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. I love it so much. I truly do. And then her fun tidbits. Look at this. Hold on. Look at her. I love it. I just love it. And then we have like the little diamond paper clip. It says create with a gem. Pretty butterfly with the flower. And make sure there's no personal info. Okay. So again, her name is Toni Angel. Her birthday is in September. Her online, again, she is Timeless Cottage Gifts. Here on YouTube, she's Toni Lee Angel on the gram, and then you can also find her on Etsy at timelesscottagegifts.etsy.com. So if you can see that. And, all right, so her 2 fun facts. I used to be a dance teacher and choreographer. I taught ballet, tap, jazz, and acrobatics. Ooh, I think this is why I need to add music to my craft videos. Oh, I love that though. I like adding music because I don't like awkward silence, but I definitely feel you on that. So I love it. Oh my goodness. Used to be, oh, can you teach like my children some things? Because I mean, I can dance, not these style of dancing, but I can dance. I don't want them to dance like how I can dance. I want them to dance something else. So just putting that out there. And so her other fun fact is that she has 5 children and 5 grandchildren who all live out of the state. She misses them, and she has 2 pups. One is Morky, and then we have Coda, and we have Cavapoo. I need story time behind that. And Leo. So now I'm a dog mom. I need story time of Cavapoo. Am I saying that right? Because, okay, first of all, I like Morky. Morky is extremely cute. That gives me the vibe that that dog is a Yorkie. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Really love Coda. Leo, you know, we've heard Leo before, but Cavapoo is so very different from the other names. Like, I need story time on that. That is so, oh my gosh. That is too funny. So, oh, you did such a beautiful job. Absolutely love it. Like I said, you never cease to amaze me. I love it when you participate. You are an absolute gem, and you are one of my favorites of all time. So, again, guys, make sure you go ahead and check her out at Timeless Cottage Gifts. So next up we have Kimmy, where you can find her as Salty Beach Scrapper and longtime friend. And but this is probably, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the very first time that she's participated in one of my swaps. So happy for that. And this is how her swap comes. You guys know me and my plaid, especially my gingham. Absolutely love it. This flower here is so sick and cute. At first I thought it was a wooden piece because I was like, that's pretty sturdy, but it's not. But it was so super cute. Again, we have the swap information here. Salty Beach Scrapper is where you can find her, and like, I'm loving these colors. She does do paper collections, she does do other designs. I know that she has like a swap tracker out that she did as well. So make sure you go ahead and check out Kimmy over on her Etsy shop as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this so we can take a closer look. This is absolutely darling. You guys know I love me some bees. This is so cute. I used to have this paper collection. I wish I had it again. Absolutely freaking love it. Really cute little button center, flat back center there. It says happy on the front. We have the bees buzzing on by. And then her pen, again, beautiful stripes. And it's pink. Come on now. Oh my goodness, look at how cute you are. You have a little unicorn. I love it. That is so adorable. I don't have anything like this, like, you know, like with the fun, like, character type beads or anything. I don't have anything like that. So that is absolutely cute. I love it. And so inside we have, all right, so inside we have some corrugated pieces here. Oops, I think that is her fun fact thing. Let me double check. Yep. We have some black corrugated pieces, which is really pretty. I've never seen it in black. We have some black flat backs. Look at these cute. You know what? You have a digital collection, because I love this. We have all the hellos. We have the fun little bees here. We have the cute little flowers. And then we have like the various matting pieces. So she already has the holes punched out. So I'm guessing that's kind of where the bees will fly out. We have our bases, and then we have our envelopes. And then the finishing touch, here is what we are looking for. So this is so stinking cute. So we have the bee buzzing on by saying hello. We have all the bees popped up on dimension here. She added the flat backs in various places. You put the corrugated board piece behind it, and then you just add your matting pieces, and boom. That is so stinking cute. I love that. That is so adorable. Absolutely love it. That is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. Okay, and then we have her fun facts. So first of all, look at this cute little kind of like a A2 coin, or yeah, like an ATC coin. I love it. I love the way this swirls. Cute little flat backs, a little bee sucking up, or no, painting on. At first I thought he was sucking the stuff out. But again, she's Kimmy Murray. She is Salty Beach Scrapper. Her birthday is July 13th, so coming up in a couple months. Her fun facts are, when she's driving, she rewrites the lyrics of songs. And you know what? A lot of people do that. Just watch TikTok. And so when she's driving, she rewrites the lyrics of songs to express the driving skills in front of me. So I wonder, like, what kind of, like, is it like a song that's playing currently, like, on your playlist, and then all of a sudden, you know, somebody's sitting there like 5 seconds after the light turns green, and then you just kind of change up that song, and like, the light is green, let's go, you know. Like, what do you do? I need story time behind that. But this is just so stinking cute. So again, make sure you check out Kimmy and also her Etsy over at Salty Beach Scrapper. And then while you're there, you might as well check out Miss Toni at Timeless Timeless cottage kiss. Doing too much. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Make sure you check out all the information down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow. And until next time, bye.